When you're trading cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, there is pretty much a graph where either you're a beginner or you're a pro. I'm probably a little bit below beginner, which is complete trash. So why not try and lose money this week by day trading Bitcoin? Yeah. So for pretty much a guaranteed loss this week, I want you guys to smash that like button. I'm in some serious trouble. Pretty much what I had to go and do is sign up for a Binance account and put in my email address, mrclueless1@gmail.com. Yes, you can see I'm pretty clueless. Now this was the problem. I couldn't fit the puzzle in the hole because I am that stupid. Then once I got into my account, I deposited $500. So now I have the $500 in my account, which I can use towards Bitcoin for the week. My plan is I'm gonna be waking up at 6 a.m. from Monday to Friday because apparently at 6 a.m. my time, it is the best time to buy Bitcoin and pretty much guarantee your money. Oh, calabunga.
So it's 6 a.m. right now and my eyes are actually burning. I can't even open the other eye. Oh, my brain. It's time to make my coffee.
All right, even though I look like I've just come out of a retirement village, I need to make some money for the day. We gotta day trade Bitcoin. Let's lose some money today. I had to get down to work and that took me 8 whole hours of trading Bitcoin, but you wouldn't believe my results. And to your surprise and my surprise, we're actually in the green for today. Now, I actually made a 10.27% gain for the day, which was $51.35. There was a huge spike on Bitcoin for the day, which is how I made my money. I would say this is a pretty successful first day of day trading Bitcoin. I'm an amateur. I suck at this. Let's get on to day 2. It's always a good sign when I need to take a dump before I trade Bitcoin. I did it yesterday and I'm doing it today. Then I went downstairs and started making my coffee like I do every single morning, which is 15 cents a coffee. And to be honest with you, it tasted very bad today. You can see by my face right there. I tried it and I wanted to puke immediately after. But let's forget about that and start trading some Bitcoin. I sat there for 14 hours trading and this is what the outcome was. Ah, no. We finally ran into some problems. Think about this. I lost 4 cups of coffee worth of money today. I lost 2.23%, which was $11.50, and currently my account is at $539.85. Yeah, as you guys can see by the chart, pretty much Bitcoin had a massive dip today, which I got caught in and got completely screwed over in. Hopefully we don't keep losing for the rest of the week because this will end badly. I'm sure you guys don't want to hear my morning routine every single day, so I'm just gonna get straight to the days and tell you exactly how much I made. So on Wednesday, I made a total of $9.03, which was 1.8% profit for the day. At least we're in the green. That's the positive about this. I'm a rookie and I'm still in the green right now. I'm quite happy with this. That was a pretty good day, but Thursday wasn't as good. I stuffed up big time. Yeah, you could probably tell by my red outfit because I thought I would go with a theme of losing money today. I lost $18, which is a 3.6% loss for the day, which I am so annoyed about because I just simply wasn't focusing. I was being a rookie and I lost money. I swear I better not end up in the red for the week because this will be unsuccessful to the max. Now this is the one I promise you're looking forward to. Friday is an epic day and you have to see what happened here. Normally when something good has happened in my life, I am wearing either a suit or I'm drinking an iced coffee. I'm obviously celebrating something and that is profit for today. We're actually in the green. Now this is huge. We made $91.51, which is an 18.3% gain for the day. You know how huge that is to make on Bitcoin? I was trading for around, I think 13 hours or something like that. Trading like a dog, trading like a cat. That totals us up for the week at $122.36, which is 24.54% profit. Now my advice to you is please don't invest thinking you're just gonna make money instantly, because that doesn't happen. When you're investing in the stock market or cryptocurrency, make sure that you guys do your research, understand the charts of what is going on, because it's so easy to lose all your money. And believe me, when I first started, I lost a lot of money. Anyway, that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and remember, just do money.